Hi everyone, my name is Philip Weiler. I'm just doing my reflection and kind of responses for this section in our interactive technologies. Um, the most I've done is just based on in class when students and teachers all if we use them and then we use them that way, use it off the board. I know when I was a para, they'd use it sometimes in some of the classes, but not a lot. But other than that, I really haven't used them myself interacting with people or things like that. Um, my favorite one that I looked through was a Smart Tech board. It just seemed pretty simple, and it I need simple for me personally. It's not well, this might be better, or that might be better. If I know how to do it and use it, that's what I like to use. As for the app, our school district has used Kahoot. I think for me personally, that's one of the things I like the best. It just works for me, and I think it could be something I could use in my future classroom with different things. But that's once again, that's totally up to me to do, and I think I could use that, but I'm not sure how exactly I would use that. Um, just reading through the article, I thought it was really interesting how they talked about some of the clickers and different things like that. And I do think there's a way that we can all use them. It just depends on how we want to use them. Everyone's different, and everyone wants to use technology differently. I know when I was in school, my teachers, some would use like PowerPoints, all that, all the time, and then some would never use them. So it just kind of depended on what you were, kind of class you were in, and what they wanted to do with you. Um, I know for myself, I plan on using a lot of um, PowerPoints, boards, videos, stuff like that. I just want to keep our kids interacting. I think keeping them interacted and keeping them, doing things would always be useful. So I think some of this was very helpful, and I hope that all of us are still learning things that we can use in our future classroom, whether our school districts that we'll be able to work in will have that opportunity or not. But anyway, that's mine for this week. Hope everyone else is still doing good. We're close to getting done. I think we only have like 4 weeks left or something like that, or five. So good luck to everyone, and thanks for watching.